Craig Double again. I'm in my right on the edge of my garage. I'm going to perform my Lab 5 experiment. I'm going to show you a demonstration of how to turn the rubber stopper over your head using centripetal force. Okay, so I've gotten up to the step where it says to put your 30 grams of washer on there. I got everything set up, and I've got 30 grams exactly on the bottom of my for the weight on one side and the rubber stopper on the other. All right, it tells you to take a paper clip and put it about 20 centimeters above the washers. I got that all set up. And then it tells you to pull the string through the glass rod, so there's approximately 0.7 meters of string between the glass rod and the stopper. And then you have to practice swinging the stopper around in a circle over your head, as shown in Figure 5, while holding it onto the glass rod. You're going to support the suspended mass containing the washers with one hand while holding the rod with the other. And be careful, you want to make sure you wear safety glasses or goggles so you don't get yourself in the eye. We're going to swing the stopper in a circular motion. We're going to slowly release the hanging mass and adjust the rotating speed of the stopper so that the paper clip attached to the string above the washer stays a few centimeters below the bottom of the tube, neither rising nor falling. Then we're not going to move our hand too much while swinging the stopper. We're going to try that. Practice this already a couple times just to make sure I can do it. And then ideally the steel washer should be stationary. Keeping your hand steady will help the rubber stopper move smoothly. We're going to show you a couple. I'm going to show you a couple demonstrations, see if I can get this to work right. And then we're going to take some measurements and record. It says stop spinning the rubber stopper and use the measuring tape to measure the length of the string and the meters. I've got my tape down here as well. You're going to need that for this experiment, the measuring tape. And this is the length of the string between the glass tube and the rubber stopper. So let's get started. Let's show you a demonstration. So I'm right-handed. I'm going to hold the glass tube with my right hand, a stopwatch, and I'll hold it with the other. And I'm going to count 10 revolutions and come up with an average time for one revolution while I do this. And on my string, I put a little mark with a magic marker. I don't know if you can see it. On my string, we're marked the 0.7 meters. So here we go. All right, I can feel the weight going up. And we'll start right here. Oops, did not work. All right, try this again. Get spinning a little bit faster. Hey, how's it going? Okay, so that was a demonstration. I'm going to have to practice this a couple times, but that's kind of how you got to do this, and it's difficult to hold the timer and spin it at the same time and try to do all this, but I came out with about 1.5 seconds for 10 revolutions in that run. I'm going to practice this a couple times, and hopefully that just gives you an idea on how you kind of have to set this up. I think part of the issue is that my string is really long, and I try to get to the paper clip on the bottom about a couple centimeters where it's at the bottom on this end. It takes a lot of effort, concentration, and ability to swing the rubber stopper out so far. That's all I got for this video. Hopefully it helps you out. Thanks.